It is Sunday, 9:30, 9:40 in the morning, and I was just sleeping, and I woke up to a fucking bird that won't shut the hell up, and he's constantly chirping over and over and over, and he won't shut the fuck up. Seriously, it's been non-stop like that for about an hour. I heard that at 9 o'clock. Or, I don't know, like 8:40 I heard that shit. Or, I don't know. It's just been a really long fucking time, and I keep trying to go to sleep, but I can't go to sleep. This fucking bitch-ass bird. And then he pauses for a long time at times, making me think that he's done, and then he just goes again. Is he gonna start again? Oh my god, I think he's done. I think he's done. Wait. Nope. He's undone. They say birds do that because they're like protecting their, like, it's like the same thing as dogs when they pee on shit as their territory. That's what birds do. That's their kind of thing. It's like, what the fuck? Who the hell yells, "This is mine, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine," for an hour?